Hello everyone, this is Ujji Tawre from Gossipfunda. Today's video is about how to disable password asks when downloading an application. There are two steps by which we can troubleshoot this error. Firstly, we have to go to the settings and then click on Apple ID profile. Over there, scroll down to media and purchases and then tap on password settings and turn off the password required. This would disable the password asking when you are downloading a new application. The second thing is to go to your settings and then search for screen time. And in content and privacy, go to the iTunes. Over there, click on do not require. That is, toggle off the content restrictions. These two steps would easily disable the password asked while downloading an application from the App Store. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Fund.